Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic network access. Make sure your device is on the correct Wi-Fi or wired network and that signal strength is reasonable. Once done, power cycle your modem and router, unplug, wait 30 seconds, and plug back in because many transient issues clear that way. Next, clear your browser cache or open a private window and flush the DNS cache. These quick steps separate local browser problems from deeper network faults. Now run basic diagnostics so you know where the break is. Ping the website and a public IP like 8, then run traceroute to identify where packets stop. If you see no route, inspect your IP, gateway, and DNS assignments. Switch to a public DNS such as 8 or 1 to rule out resolver issues. Also make sure to disable VPNs, proxies, or local firewall rules. Finish by applying lasting fixes. Update your network adapter drivers and router firmware, then reboot the device so changes take effect. If uncertainty remains, test the site from a mobile hotspot or another network to determine whether the problem is your ISP or the destination server. If those tests fail, gather error messages, traceroute and ping logs, and reach out to your ISP or the website administrator with that evidence. And one troubleshooting tip. If pages still fail, try a different DNS and clear both system and router caches before calling for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.